So hey everyone, so this is a testnet project and it's called Credible Finance. Now I'm only going to be sharing this on my crypto trading paid platform and also to my YouTube VIP members, that is those of you on YouTube, on my YouTube channel that paid for monthly subscription. Yes. So as little as 450 naira, you can subscribe to my YouTube VIP membership platform. So this all kind of updates is going to be dropping for all of you guys. So this is Credible Finance. I already shared on my Telegram platform, and I also share it also on YouTube, on the YouTube VIP section, how to access this. So if you are tired of Telegram airdrop projects like I am, then you should key into this testnet project. So once you click on the link to bring you here, it asks you to register using your email address. So just register using your email address and use an active email address. Then they'll send you a verification code and you enter that verification code. So you need to connect your Phantom wallet. So this is how it connects moons for cred airdrop. So this is it, one task completed. This task I already done now is the invitation of friends. I'm going to walk you through. So these are more tasks to do. I'm going to connect my wallet and I'll get 200 moons. So I'm going to click on this connect wallet now, and I want to connect my Phantom wallet, and then I'm going to click on connect Phantom here. And then once I click on connect Phantom, it's going to take me directly to my Phantom app, just like this. Then you can also do this directly from your Phantom wallet, but anyway you click on the link, it should lead you here. So now this is my Phantom wallet. I'm now going to come down here that says search, right? I'll click on it here that says search, and I'll come to the site, and I'm going to search, and I'm going to type credible dot finance slash airdrop. Credible.finance slash airdrop. I'm going to click on go, and I'm going to allow it search for it. Now you see this is it. This is on Phantom. So you need a referral link. That is why my referral link is there. So let's do us a very big favor and start earning on Phantom. I start earning on Testnet rather. Testnet is one very Testnet Airdrop is very awesome. They do not list DOS like what this Telegram airdrop do. And I've seen a lot of people earn big on Testnet. Yes. So now, so if you on this homepage like I was showing you, you're going to click here to register, or you click this email address. If like me, I want to log in, I'll enter my email address. But if you click to register, you need to enter email address and also send you a code. So I'm going to write my email address here, and I'm going to click on log in. So let me select that, and then I'm going to select login or login. So I'm just walking you guys through the process. So they send me a verification code to my email address. My phone does a multi-window. So I'm just going to come back to my email address, and this is it. And I'm just going to copy this. Then I'll minimize, and I'll come back here, and I'm going to paste this, and I'm going to click on verify code. You see login successful. So now it brings me right here. So now I will now come back to this my tags that says connect wallet, and I'm going to click on connect wallet. I'll click on connect Phantom. This is within the Phantom interface, Phantom wallet interface, and then I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on connect. Then once you click on connect, you allow it to load and do its thing. It will bring up this sign up message. You just come here and click on confirm. You click on confirm, you wait again for it to do its thing, and it will say to bring up this is loading. Allow it to rotate, allow the app to its thing. Don't rush it. See 200 moons end. I've earned 200 moons already. Look at it, I've earned 200 moons. Let's go back to the tax to see what tax again I have to do. I've completed 2 tasks. Now, once you scroll down, you're going to see your invite link just like this. Invite friends, guys. Invite your friends, invite your enemies. So you're going to go ahead and keep doing all these other tasks. I don't want this video to be long. If you hit any difficulty while doing all those other tasks, let me know. Ignore this land on credible. Ignore this for now. I'll walk you through the process at a later time. Let's do the start your KYSC, complete your KYSC. So I'll click on start KYSC, and I'll allow this to load. I just want to show you how to do your KYSC. Then country of residence, I'm going to select my country of residence. I am in Nigeria. So I'm going to search for Nigeria. Then it says select your nationality, same Nigeria. Then I'm going to click on submit. So residence and nationality country updated. I've submitted my email, they've confirmed that. I'm going to do a selfie and then my ID card. So I'm going to do that right now. I'll click on selfie. So I'll click on this place that shows proceed. Proceed to take selfie. I'll click on the proceed and okay, allow phantom while using the app. Okay, just say it. It will take time depending on how good or how fast your network is. So this took me about several minutes. I've submitted myself, and the next thing is I'm going to be submitting my ID. It could be your driver license, it could be your national ID, your voter's card, or your passport. So I'm going to use this ID, national ID. So you can use your NIN, you can use whatever. So I'm going to get my ID and I'm going to snap it, and I'll do that off camera because of the vital information that there. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on continue. And then once I click on continue, see, I've submitted everything. So it says we are currently checking your data. Email verified, selfie verified, national ID verified. So thank you. We are currently checking your data. This verification status will update automatically. So I'm going to click on return to merchant. So once I click on return to merchant, it's going to bring me back here. And once those details has been verified or confirmed, those details I submitted has been confirmed, you see your KYC approved. This wasn't even up to 2 minutes. What am I saying? It wasn't even up to a minute. It wasn't up to a minute. KYC verified. So I'll click on this three burger signs here, and once I click on that three burger signs, it's going to load like a sidebar on interface on this same website of theirs. Let me move this here. It's obstructing my clicking. So you see all this. You see all this here: airdrop, cash, loan, private credit, transaction, referrals, account. This is where you have access to everything. Once I click on the airdrop, you see that this moons that I've earned has increased to 750. This has increased to 750. So that's because I've been completing some of these tasks. I have successfully joined also the Telegram platform. See it there, completed. I've done that. So you just keep doing all this. Apart from this last one, I said you guys should on it. For now, I'm going to walk through the process. You just keep doing that. So that is literally, say I'm already in 850. So you need to complete the task to qualify for credit airdrop. Try as much as possible to complete all the tasks to qualify for credit airdrop. So this is just what you need to do for now. So I'll see you on that update. So for those of you on YouTube channel, remember that on the YouTube VIP section, remember that you need to keep your subscription ongoing for you to be getting videos like this on Testnet Airdrop project and how to mine. Why for those of you on the Telegram platform, you don't need to Telegram crypto trading platform, you don't need to do any of that thing. Your one-time subscription fee is like a lifetime membership subscription, except if you leave the group. If you leave the group, that is when you'll be requested to repay. But if you don't leave the group, you are not going to be requested to pay. So for those of you on the Telegram, on the YouTube platform, if you want to join the Telegram platform, you need to pay a one-time subscription fee. It is one of the cheapest I've seen on the crypto web space so far. So, and it is one time, is a lifetime subscription, except if you decide to leave the group. So you can, either way, you are still benefiting from this Testnet Airdrop project and benefiting from me. If you decide to stay on the YouTube only, you will be paying a subscription fee every month and be renewing it every month. So this is something you'd like to see. Let me keep knowing in the comment section, either on YouTube or on the Telegram paid platform. Thank you so much. See you in that update. Bye for now.